somebody is hitting something very hard somewhere. Why is this camera bent? That beaded bag strength forever. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Vanessa of Servant's Beats, of course. It's been a long time that I've shown my face on the channel. So yeah, welcome to the channel. If you're new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video. If you do like it, then please turn on the notification bell so that you will be made aware if and when I upload a new video. Yeah, so it's a little bit awkward because it's been long since I spoke like this. Anyway, if you are an old subscriber or you know me, welcome back to the channel. Please make sure you stay tuned for the entire video. Hey, by the way guys, merry Christmas and a happy new year 2024. I know 2023 was, I don't know if I speak for everybody, but it was sort of hard, but by the grace of God we have made it to the end of the year. I'm so grateful that we have made it to the end of the year, and I pray for all of you on the channel that God may continue to guide and protect all of us as we go into the new year. So please make sure you share this video, share my other videos, so that other people will get to know me-ish sort of thing. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all the beaded bags that I created this year 2023. And before I get back, if I get into the video, this is a little crochet piece I made. So it's a little shrug slash bolero. It's a little crochet bolero, and this crochet very ruffled hat. So I made this, right? It is so cute and it just matches this black dress. Before I get into the video, I just want to say, I said in one of my videos that I took down this channel was first of all crochet and beads tutorials, and I decided to make it just a beaded channel. Then I privated the crochet videos, but now I'm deciding that I should unprivate them. Let me just put them out there because they show my first days of YouTube, all the mistakes I made, all the embarrassing things I made, the terrible video quality. It's not like this one is better, but the terrible video quality, the way I used to do my videos. So I'm still going to be putting those videos out there, but that's not what we are here to talk about. I am here to show you guys all the beaded bags I did this year. You guys have been so supportive, and I've done so many tutorials this year on the channel, and some I may not have shown, but I'm just going to go through my Instagram because that's where most of my pictures are. So if you want to see most of the pictures of the beaded bags that I've made, please make sure you check out my Instagram. It's at servans_cmr. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to basically be showing you guys each and every beaded bag that I've done. I believe each of these bags, every one of these bags, have a tutorial on the channel. All of them have. If you don't see it on the channel, that means I'm still to post it. Okay, so do not go away. If I show you all the beaded bags I've done this year, you don't see a tutorial, that means I still need to post a tutorial. All of them have tutorials. By the way, I'm not going to be keeping counts. I'll not be like, oh, the first beaded bag that I made this year. Maybe I'll start with the first beaded bag I made this year, but I don't think I'll be able to keep count. So let me know down in the comment section how many beaded bags you ended up counting that I did. I think that's it. That should be it. That should be everything. So I just wanted this video to be like the last video of the year, like to end everything, to crown the entire year. So thank you guys so much for the love you've shown me on the channel. I am so grateful. By the way, I apologize for any noise that you might hear. Like, there are bikes passing all over the place. Okay, without further ado, let's just get right into every beaded bag that I've done for the year, every trendy beaded bag that I've done this 2023. And these trendy bags also can be used in 2024, by the way. So in fact, beaded bags don't go out of fashion. You can use it to 2035, whatever year. I don't know where you are in the future watching this video, but I'm telling you that beaded bags trend forever. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
Okay guys, so I want to start off by showing you guys these beaded bags that I really haven't shown on my Instagram, and some of them have tutorials, a few of them don't, but most of them have tutorials. Okay, like 98% of them have tutorials. So let's just get right into each of them. There are 15 of them, and they each have, all of these bags have a video on the channel. So there's this one, which is, I think I named it the ice bag or something. It's just a nice cute bag. Yep, so there's this one, and I made them with this icy tube and sugar beads, and the tutorial is up on the channel. And we have this heart, this mini heart bag. This is a very casual bag. I love this one so much. The tutorial for this one is not up on the channel, but I have a tutorial on how to make a heart beaded bag, so you could just customize it to your size. The handle is also very easy to do, so you can go ahead and do yours. The next bag is this Russian spiral beaded bag. This is a very easy bag to make too. The tutorial for this bag is on the channel, so make sure you check it out. It's not difficult at all to do. The next is the shoulder bag. This one doesn't have a tutorial, it's just a casual nice shoulder bag that you can wear. So the title of this video was styling 15 beaded bags with just one outfit, so you can go ahead and check it out as well. I just said let me show you guys everything. Then I have this bag. I think I called it the popcorn beaded bag because the beads I used felt like popcorn. So remember, the tutorials on the channel, make sure you check it out if you want to recreate the bag. Next we have this star design beaded bucket bag. So this is a nice casual bag. You can go ahead and put your pouch inside, and the tutorial for this bag is up on the channel as well. So up next is this cube or this boxy beaded bag. A nice cute bag that you can use for any occasion. Go ahead and make your pouch and put it inside. I have the tutorial for this bag on the channel as well, so make sure you check it out. If any bag is here and I tell that the tutorial is not up on the channel and you want me to redo the tutorial, just let me know down in the comment section. Okay, the next bag is this is a little cute bead bag. The tutorial for this bag is on the channel. It's a nice cute, I think I did this bag for a client for a wedding and she loved it so much. So yeah, the tutorial is on the channel. Don't forget to check it out as well. And the next bag on our list is this beaded bucket bag. I believe the tutorial for this bag should be on the channel as well. Yeah, so this is the bag. It's in red and gold. It's a lovely bag. So we have this. So the next one is this pearl beaded vintage-ish sort of bag. Yeah, so I have a tutorial how to do this pearl vintage beaded bag on the channel, so you can check it out. It's not this exact design, but you know, most of the designs for these bags are like sort of almost the same. The next is this boxy bag. So the tutorial is on the channel. It has a chain handle instead of the regular beaded handle, so make sure you check out the tutorial. Up next we have this mini beaded bucket bag that was out of frame for most of this video, but this is how it looks like. The tutorial is on the channel as well, so you can go ahead and check it out. I have this beaded bucket one as well. It's the same tutorial as the last one I said. It's just a silver and gold pearl beaded bag. So if you want to see the clearer or better pictures, make sure you check out the entire video dedicated to these bags. Okay, now there's this cylindrical beaded bag. The tutorial for this was on my channel. This is like, this bag looks edgy, so I think it looks good with the outfit as well. And like I said, the tutorial is on the channel. You can style it however way you want. Up next is this beaded bucket bag. This is like a meshy style for this bucket bag, and I sort of have a tutorial. It's like one of the first tutorials I dropped on YouTube, so I think that tutorial is kind of fast. If you want me to repeat any tutorials, let me know the color and the type of bag, and let me know in the comment section which bag you want me to repeat. Then we have this mini bag here. I don't know, I like very tiny bags like this. Like, I know nothing can enter there, but I like to hold them. So that is all the bags. There were 15 of them in total. Make sure you check out the video of all the bags. Without further ado, let's get into our bags of this year officially. So this is my Instagram account. I was just scrolling through to find the first beaded bag that I made for the year. As you can see, I have several designs of these glass beaded bags, so you can go ahead and check my Instagram out. So the first beaded bag was this cylinder one, then this heart beaded bag as well. Then we have this black one, which was part of a collection of 9, this cage beaded bag, this pearl beaded bag, this other pearl beaded bag, the pyramid bag, the clutch bag, the boxy bag like you saw. All of these, the tutorials are up on the channel, so it's an entire collection. This bow, green bow beaded bags tutorial is also up on the channel. And this is my entire collection that I had of 6 beaded glass bags. You can go ahead and check them out. So this is how all of the bags look like. You can check them out as well. So if you want a different tutorial, tell me. I have this triangular one, the bow pearl one, we have the bottegas, we have the tassels, we have this pyramid one again, we have the gold wire beaded bag, we have this tassel bag again, then we have our granny square bags of 2 different designs, our circular tassel bag, our semicircle beaded bag, our ring of flames or ring of fire beaded bag. Then we have our Jacquemus beaded bag. All of these tutorials are on the channel, check them out. Then we have our Chanel beaded bag, we have this rhinestone heart beaded bag, and these beaded bags, this one, this heart one, and this one's coming next. I'm still to upload the tutorials on the channel, so make sure you check them out. And that's it.
Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you like all the beaded bags that I showed. How many did you count? Let me know down in the comment section. How many beaded bags did you count? Let me know. I think that is basically it. By the way, if you want me to do a tutorial ish of this shrug and this hat, this ruffled sort of sunflower hat, it's a rose hat, let me know. I have a crochet channel, so I'm going to do that tutorial on my crochet channel. So if you do want it, I know this is my video channel, but hey, I'm still promoting my small business crochet and beads, so I need to promote it everywhere. So that is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful 2024, and I just want to, I really pray for all of us. I pray for all of us that 2024 is going to be a better year than 2023. So I know I didn't say Merry Christmas like during the Christmas period, but anyway, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2024. I'm going to see you guys for our first video. I don't know what video is going to be in 2024, but I'm going to see you guys there. So bye bye.